What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Adobe Premiere 2020 for free, 100% legit. I use it, I have it, my computer is just fine. If you guys haven't though, go check out the recent video right up here and go ahead and smash the like and subscribe button for more content like this. I also post games and all that, so just smash the subscribe button. Alright, just do me a solid and let's get right into the video now. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do first is go into the first link in the bio. Make sure you guys download this WinRAR file. You guys are probably going to have a 64-bit, but if you guys know you have a 32-bit, go ahead and download one of these. Just click on it, follow the download instructions, go ahead and download that because you're going to need that to open the file for Premiere Pro. The second link, after you guys do all this, go to the second link. You're going to come across this mega file, Premiere Pro CC 2020. And you're going to want to click download. It'll begin the download. It's a 1.7 gigabyte download, so whenever this finishes up, I will come back. Okay. Finally opened up, in this little dot file, we're going to have all this stuff in here. But the file you guys... Okay, once you get everything opened up, all you guys are going to want to do... Well, first let's just read this real quick, just to see. Okay. So this is a pre-activated version, guys. I just want to give a shout out to Dizzy Diligent. He's the one who cracked this. He made it out free for all of you guys. I'm going to exit that. Now, what you're going to do is click the setup. It's going to run, the runtime. It's going to basically extract all the files into a folder on your computer. And and also with the download, depending on how fast your computer is and your internet, it's probably going to take around like 2.5 minutes. And then probably like a minute for the extra download. But, this is going to finish up in a few seconds. And guys, remember, smash the like button and the subscribe button. For more videos, I can post some more crack stuff. If you guys let me know what you want in the comments. So black, this is going to ask to allow the files to be put on the computer. Actually, hold on, let me just bring... Yep, here we go. Here's a black screen. You're going to click setup, yes. And now let me just pull this over here so you guys can see what's going on. You guys can go ahead and just minus out of this. And then you come to here. Obviously, depending on where you live, for me, English, North America. And then right here, it's going to tell you where the files are going to go. Say continue. And then it's going to start installing it. You guys don't need an activation key because it comes already pre-activated. And I'm not going to... I'm just going to exit out of this because I already have it. But once that, guys, it's going to be in your computer. Let me go ahead and show you guys that I do have it. It works. It does work. Hey guys, so we're finally in Premiere. I went ahead and brought up a clip that I made. This is just a little subscribe button that I made to put in my videos. But guys, that is it. If you guys enjoyed, please smash the like button and subscribe button. Leave some comments down below what you guys want to see next. And I hope you have a good one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.